Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMIN examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, two plane mirror M1 and M2 are at a right angle to each other as shown. So this is the expression that this is a figure that have been given to you. A point source P which is placed at A and 2A meter away from the M1 and M2 respectively. The short distance between the image thus formed is, okay, so neglect this term, this is nothing, so neglect this term. So that means what you need to find out is what would be the shortest distance between the images thus formed is. So if I'll redraw this is mirror 1 and this one is mirror, this was one mirror 2, M2. Okay, here the object has been placed at a distance of A, at a distance of 2A from this mirror. So this is object, so you will be getting image of this object at over here. Again, because of this you will be getting image over here. Okay, since this the angle between the mirrors is 90 degrees, so you'll be having three images. This is number 1, this is number 2, this can also be number 1, this can also be number 2. Okay, another image that would be formed is over here, and this is nothing but the superposition of these two images. Okay, and so that's why it is also the brightest one. So you need to find out the shortest distance between the images. Okay, so the shortest distance has to be this one, because this distance is comes out to be 4A 2A plus 2A, and this distance is A plus A, which is 2A. The answer should be this much 2A, but nothing has been given to you, so you have to choose that your answer accordingly. So they might have asked you this distance. Okay, so if they have asked you this distance, so this would be the hypotenuse of the sides, which is having length 2A and 4A. Okay, so the final answer, if you can easily find out, is this shortest distance. So let this shortest distance is x. So let this shortest distance be x. So it is hypotenuse of these two sides, so it would be 2A whole square plus 4A whole square. So it would be equivalent to root of 4A square plus 16A square. So it comes out to be root of 20A square. So A is nothing but 5,4. So it would be 2A root 5. So finally the solve it, you will be getting expression which is closer to 4.6A. So it would be 4.57 or 5. So it would be closer to 4.6A. Okay, so the answer that you should get is this. This is the second one. Okay, but it has to be the shortest distance, but the options were not given in your examination, so you have to choose your options accordingly. According to the options, this would be the correct option that you should get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.